Hi there, students. Perspicacious, an adjective. Perspicaciously, the adverb. And you can have two nouns for the quality perspicaciousness, but I personally prefer perspicacity. Perspicacity. Okay, let's see. If somebody is perspicacious, they understand things very clearly. They're mentally very keen. They have a lot of insight. Yeah, so somebody who is perspicacious understands things very quickly. Yeah, they understand things without you actually having to tell them or to explain them to them. They're very shrewd. They've got a penetrating mind. So he made some very perspicacious observations. Yeah, his suggestions were very perspicacious. Yeah, his mind is very penetrating and can see what is needed, can understand the situation. Okay, so effectively somebody who's perspicacious, they're smart, but they notice things as well. They're very aware, they've got an acute mind, they're shrewd, they're astute, they're very observant as well. They're clear-sighted and far-sighted. Yeah, so when you make decisions, if you're perspicacious, you're going to make much better decisions. I also get the feeling that this word perspicacious has a nuance of seeing or understanding what's going to happen in the future or how something is going to develop. Yeah, so it's got a little bit of this idea of foresight within it as well. Okay, so if you're perspicacious, you're quick in noticing, understanding, and weighing up situations. So he made some very perspicacious land investments, and 10 years later the areas where he bought the land were very fashionable, and hence he made a lot of money. Okay, so to be perspicacious, to have quick insight into something. Yeah, a good reporter should ask perspicacious questions. Yeah, because you ask a good question and then you get to see the reality. Okay, so if you're perspicacious, you notice things quickly, you understand them very quickly. So yeah, she's a very perspicacious political reporter. Yeah, she has a lot of acumen, a great deal of perspicacity. Yeah, her perspicacity is one of her greatest qualities. She perspicaciously asked him about his relationship with Mr. Epstein. Yeah. So if you're perspicacious, you've got keen judgment. In the past, this word used to mean to have very keen vision, to see very clearly, but that's rather obsolete nowadays. And we only use it with the metaphoric meaning of having a penetrating mind. I think the opposite of perspicacious is sort of dull and stupid and not very smart. Yeah, okay, so perspicacious. As to formality, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, maybe even, yeah, 6.5. In an informal conversation, I would say to have insight, to be quick-sighted, to understand things easily. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin perspicax, yeah, that's better, meaning sharp-sighted, from perspicio, to look through, through, and specio, to look at. So to look through all of the other things and to see the reality. Okay, so I guess you are very perspicacious students, having realized that this is the place where you're really going to learn English. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Perspicacious.